Welcome to Daily English Flow.
Oh no, Rachel, I have a big problem. I forgot my smartphone at home.
Oh my gosh, you are disconnected from the rest of the world.
Exactly. I wanted to show you that new cafe, but now I don't know the way. I'm so sorry about that. I should have checked the directions beforehand. I thought I could just look it up any time. I rely on my phone too much.
Don't apologize, Eva. Actually, this could be a good thing. Why don't we try a digital detox today?
A digital detox? You mean no Google Maps?
Yes! Today, I'll turn off my phone, put it in my pocket, and keep it there. I won't use it either. Let's try to find the cafe using our eyes and ears. It's a challenge.
Wow, I'm a little nervous, but let's give it a try. To get to the cafe, we need to find out which bus to take. Where can we find a map?
Let's stop at the library nearby. It's the best place to find all the information we need.
I often study here, but it feels even quieter today. I can really focus without my phone.
That's true. Libraries are perfect for concentrating. Look, here is the city bus map.
Okay, the green cafe is in the south area, so we need bus number 5. Now, where is the bus stop? Oh, look, Rachel. The bus stop is right in front of the library. How lucky!
See? It's that easy. Information is everywhere if you look for it. The next bus is in 10 minutes. Perfect. Let's go.
Look at everyone. Almost everyone is glued to their phones.
Right. It's very quiet on the bus today.
Usually, I am exactly the same. I always look at my screen and miss the outside world.
But today is different. You don't have your phone, so you can really see the world.
Yeah, you're right. The buildings, the people, the sky, everything looks so bright and clear.
It's a beautiful day. And look, we can see the sea now.
Wow, it's much better than a small phone screen.
A clear view is a great gift, isn't it?
It's so beautiful. Rachel, let's get off the bus here. I know it's not part of our plan, but the sea looks so wide and open.
Good idea. Listen to the waves. They are so peaceful. It's so relaxing without any phone notifications, don't you think?
Yes, I feel so relaxed now. But look at those people behind us, Rachel. Almost everyone is busy taking photos or looking at their screens.
You're right. They are so focused on their phones. Maybe they are missing this amazing view right in front of them.
I used to be exactly like that, but today I'm just enjoying the moment with my own eyes.
That's the best way to make real memories. So, shall we head to the cafe? I'm really looking forward to trying their latte.
Me too. Let's go. Wait, Rachel. I think we are lost. I'm looking for a street map, but I can't find one anywhere.
Yeah, there used to be maps on every corner. But now everyone uses a smartphone, so the old map boards are disappearing.
It's just like public phones, isn't it? It's a bit inconvenient. Oh, look! Let's ask that man for help. Excuse me? Could you help us? We are looking for the Green Café.
Oh, the Green. Of course. It's a very popular place. It's not far. Go straight down this street, turn right at the next corner, and then walk up the hill. The cafe is left at the top.
Go straight, turn right, and walk up the hill. I see. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem. Enjoy your coffee.
I realized again how nice it is to actually talk to people. Oh, wait, Rachel, look at that building.
Wow, an old cinema. It's called Mountain View Cinema. It's so charming.
It is. I'm so curious. Shall we peek inside for a second?
I'd love to. Let's check it out. Wow, it smells amazing in here.
It's the popcorn. Look at that vintage popcorn machine. It's so classic and colorful.
It really does. And look at all these brochures. They look so retro and cool. I love the designs.
Whoa, Rachel, look at that huge poster. It says, Mountain Majesty, see it big.
Huge screen experience. It's so different from a tiny smartphone screen, isn't it?
Definitely. Real movies need real screens. We found this place because we weren't looking at our phones.
You're right. A big screen and the smell of popcorn. It's a full experience. We don't have time for a movie today, but we should definitely come back.
I agree. For now, let's find our cafe. The man told us to turn right and go up the hill, didn't he?
Yes, he did. Let's go.
Look, Rachel, we finally made it. The Green Café. It looks even more beautiful than in the pictures.
It really does. It's so inviting. And look at that wooden roof. It's so cozy. Ah, this latte is perfect. And can you believe it? We found this place without GPS. How do you feel after a day without your phone, Eva?
Well, at first I felt a little nervous. To be honest, it was actually a little scary too. I kept reaching for my bag to check my phone. But now I feel so at peace.
I noticed you didn't even try to take a photo of your latte art.
I know, it's okay though. We can keep these happy moments in our hearts.
What an adventure we had today, Eva. We really lived in the moment. We even got to stop by some unexpected places, like the beach and that charming cinema.
Yes, it was so much fun. I think those were my favorite parts of the day. We only found them because we weren't staring at our phones.
To everyone watching, maybe you don't need to leave a comment today. Just put down your phone, look out the window, and enjoy the world around you.
Oh, you're right, Rachel. That's a lovely idea. But to be honest, I'd still be thrilled to hear from you.
You are right. We always love hearing your stories.
If you have a story about a no phone day or forgetting your phone, please share it in the comments. Next time, I'll show you around my part-time job.
Oh, I'm really looking forward to it. Since she works at another cafe, we can learn how to order food and even how to take orders from customers. It'll be a great lesson for everyone.
Definitely. I'm so excited to take you there.
See you then.
Bye for now.